Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my oil cleanser. This is the first step of my cleansing routine and it's very customizable. I have dry sensitive skin, so if you have dry sensitive skin this will work for you, but if you don't, I will leave a link down below of oils to use based on your skin condition or if you have oily skin. And this is the glass that I chose to use, and this is from New Seasons. You can also purchase them online. It's great if you are into that sustainable lifestyle, which I am right now. I'm trying to be more conscious of not using plastic and being able to reuse things, so this was a great option, and they're pretty fairly cheap, and the Doppler makes it really great for oils. So I'm just going in with a couple oils. I love grapeseed oil, I love olive oil. All of those are very nourishing for my dry skin, but you always want to make sure that the base is castor oil. But with castor oil you want to make sure that you don't apply too much. If you have dry skin, just coat the bottom just a little bit because it can be very drying and stripping of the face if you do have that dry skin. So that's pretty much it. Just go in with the oils that you want to go in with. You can go in with 1, you can go in with 2, you can go in with 3. You can choose however many that you would like. If you just want 1, that's totally fine. I also go in with a lavender essential oil. I find it very calming and I feel that it smells delicious. So that's pretty much what I use. Then you go ahead and shake it on up and you're pretty much done. I do this maybe every 2 months, I'd say. I make a new one, but it lasts a very long time, and it's also very good if you're trying to live a sustainable life. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. See you next time.